Well, I just need some potatoes for dinner tonight, so I'm going to have a look in here and hopefully there'll be a few in here. Can't remember how many seed potatoes I put in this one because it's a smaller pot than the other ones. But we'll tip it out and we'll see what's there. Oh, I can see a good one already. This is a lot wetter. It's this is commercial compost. It seems that the commercial compost holds the water a lot better than the homemade compost. But there's one of the seed potatoes. Just drop that there. Oh, I think I think we might need to get another tub. Yeah, that's pathetic. Yeah, it's not a great harvest out of that one. So I won't be putting this one on the web. Or should I? No. I'll tell you what, shall we have a look at one of the Sarpo Mira ones? Well, if my memory is correct, this should be a Sarpo Mira. Not sure why we've got all the grass going out of it. But, yeah, slight pink tinge to the potatoes. That'll be the Sarpo Miras. Oh, big worm, he can go straight back onto one of the beds. A lot of small ones. It's incredible, this is a lot drier. This is incredible. I mean, Sarpo Mira can grow quite big potatoes. I'm surprised we've got all these little titchy things. Okay. It's a snail. A snail shell anyway. Did you eat all my potatoes? Oh, I'm so glad we opened that one on camera. Okay, well, we've definitely got potatoes because there's one right on the top and there's another one right on the top. Unfortunately, they've gone a bit green, so I might see if I can keep them for seed potatoes. So these are Sarpo Mira. They should be a pink, sort of red pink potato. And this is looking quite good. Have I got anything I can put these in? Let me just get a tray. I'll put them in this old basin, plastic basin. That one will be good for chips. See, that's the size I was expecting from Sarpo Mira. So I don't know why I've got all these little ones. And that's the seed potato. So this is looking okay so far. Let me just get rid of some of this compost. Stone. Yeah, I just want to get all the small ones out because I'm going to use this compost again. And well, it's not a hard chip if you get more potatoes growing out of it, but these are pop. So yeah, we're going to have these tonight for our dinner. And there's another seed potato, so that's 2 seed potatoes. We might even have it with some of this turnip. Milan purple top turnip. Quite nice. Sounds like the police helicopter is coming overhead. Yeah, it's a police helicopter. So this is the best thing about growing potatoes in the pots. They're a lot easier to harvest when you're ready to get them out. We have got some in the ground, but I don't tend to usually put them in the ground unless I can help it. I run out of pots basically. Well, there you go, everyone. There's the harvest of the Sarpo Mira. I don't know what the weight is, but I'm quite happy with that for a pot.